like to ask, why do documents need to be notarized?
Well, babe, I know a lot of people are also asking why our documents need to be notarized. So, yeah, may mga tao dyan na karamihan sa atin nagpapanotary ng document dahil ang iniisip lang nila ay kailangang inotarize ang document. Well, okay. The essence of notarial is to officially verify and authenticate the identity of the person signing the document, to ensure that it is genuine and executed willingly. Okay? So, a notarized document is considered a public document, meaning it is presumed to be authentic and can be readily accepted in court without additional proof. So I hope you understand, babe, why the documents need to be notarized. Okay? Okay na to?